Welcome. In this video, I want to introduce you to the first add-on for Badvisor in Blender. Bridge 1.0 for Badvisor will help you to manage your 3D assets easier between Blender and your scenes in Badvisor. First, you need to download the add-on. Go to the From Our website, please check the description below. Or from our Gumroad website, also linked in the video description. Open Blender, go to Edit, then Preferences. Under Add-ons, click on Install and locate your file. Press N and you will see Badvisor Bridge. Log in with your account. If you do not have one, feel free to create one. After logging in, select the workspace you want to work with. Under Upload, you can directly upload your assets to Badvisor. If you want to replace an asset that is already in your scene, then make sure to check Overwrite File. If not, then just click Upload. You can also see how the asset is uploaded live on your scene. If you want to work on an asset that is in your scene, you can select your asset from your library, make sure to click on Clear Scene and click on Import. Now, you can work on your assets and upload them back again if you need to. Under Tools, you have a direct link to our Sandbox, IBL Converter, and Texture Compressor. If you want to know more about those tools, please check our videos. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.